Question number 19. Prove that the following identities. 1 plus cosecant A upon cosecant A is equal to cos square A upon 1 minus sin A. Take 1 plus first part, 1 plus cosecant A upon cosecant A is equal to cos square A upon 1 minus sin A. First of all, we are taking left hand side, that is 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A, which implies cosecant A is equal to 1 upon sin A. 1 plus 1 upon sin A divided by 1 upon sin A. Cosecant A is equal to 1 upon sin A, which implies sin A plus 1 upon sin A upon 1 upon sin A. Sin A is cancelled and we get 1 plus sin A upon 1, that is equal to 1 plus sin A, equal to 1 plus sin A, and denominator is 1 minus sin A. We are rationalizing both sides. 1 minus sin A divide and 1 minus sin A multiply. A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Identity, which implies A square, 1 square is 1 minus sin square A upon 1 minus sin A, denominator as it is, and we know 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A divided by 1 minus sin A. It's our right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Solution of second part. Under root 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Left hand side is equal to 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A with root, and we are rationalizing. Denominator is 1 plus cos A multiplying 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A multiplying and divided by 1 plus cos A with root, which implies under root of 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A raised to power 2. A plus B into A plus B, that is A plus B raised to power 2. And A minus B into A plus B, A minus B into A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. Same formula, which implies 1 minus cos square a upon 1 plus cos a raised to power 2. 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a. Under root of sin square a divided by 1 plus cos a raised to power 2. Denominator square, numerator square, we can write this numerator upon denominator raised to power 2. Under root, numerator is sin a and denominator is 1 plus cos a all raised to power 2. Root square cancel and we get sin a upon 1 plus cos a. That is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. First part 1 plus cosecant a upon cosecant a equal to cos square a upon 1 minus sin a. We are taking left hand side 1 plus cosecant a upon cosecant a and cosecant a is equal to 1 upon sin a divided by cosecant a is 1 upon sin a. Sin a multiplied by 1 that is equal to sin a plus 1 upon sin a divided by 1 upon sin a. Sin a is cancelled and we get 1 plus sin a and right hand side is cos square a. We are rationalizing both sides 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a multiplying and divided by 1 minus sin a. So a plus b, a minus b that is equal to a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a that is equal to cos square a divided by 1 minus sin a. So cos square a upon 1 minus sin a is equal to right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. And solution of second part, given 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a is equal to sin a upon 1 plus cos a. Taking left hand side and under root 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a, denominator is 1 plus cos a, so we are rationalizing 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a, both sides, numerator and denominator. A plus b into a minus b, numerator and denominator is a plus b into a plus b, that is equal to a plus b raised to power 2. And 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a equal to a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square a with root divided by denominator as it is 1 plus cos a raised to power 2. When we have numerator square upon denominator square, then we can write numerator upon denominator raised to power 2 and root square is cancelled. So we get sin a upon 1 plus cos a raised to power 2 and root square is cancelled, but we get sin a upon 1 plus cos a and sin a upon 1 plus cos a is right hand side, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thank you.